The market is paying attention to XRP because it has made a big gain. Since March, it hasn't been this high since it rose more than 50% in the last week. XRP is now worth $0.6722, up 8.97% from the start of the year. XRP is becoming more valuable as shown by the fact that it is worth $38.20 billion and is traded for $9.70 billion every day. The price of XRP has recently gone up. Could this be the start of an even bigger rise? This piece tries to guess what will happen with XRP in the future by looking at the things that have caused it to rise recently, as well as its past patterns and technical analysis. Because of recent court victories, XRP has shown that it is gaining speed. Based on Judge Annalisa Torres's ruling, a lot of regulatory restrictions have been lifted because XRP is not seen as a security. Also has high hopes for changes in the rules and regulations that govern us. This is especially true now that there are rumors that Gary Gensler, the head of the Securities and Exchange Commission, might step down under the next administration. Because of these changes, both social dominance indices and trade activity have gone up a lot, which shows that investors are more confident. Now, some experts in the field say that speculative buying, on the other hand, could lead to short-term losses. The price of XRP recently hit $0.7354, which was its best level in almost 8 months. A surge like this has broken through a lot of opposition. The positive trend line, which is now at $0.6180, is making support zones stronger. This means that there is a chance for more progress to go up. If the price of XRP can get past the important support level of $0.7250, it could reach $0.78 or even $0.78 or even $0.80. That being said, this depends on steady trade volume and a positive market mood. There may be problems ahead for the XRP price, even though it has gone up a lot recently. The cost 80 divergence sign shows that investors are losing interest. The RSI overbought zone shows a level of saturation, which are often followed by changes. Should XRP fail to stay above $0.66, it's possible that it will drop to $0.61 or even lower. That being said, if the support level around $0.66 is broken and kept, it could end the downward trend and allow for another rise. Investors are more interested now that Hoskinson, who made Cardano, and Ripple, who is the CEO of Ripple, have both hinted that blockchains could work together and stablecoin projects could work together. There has been no public word on this yet, but a relationship like this could be good for both ecosystems. The price of XRP often changes in response to events in politics and the economy as a whole. It is important to note that the price of XRP rose quickly after the US elections, going up by 60,000% and 170%, respectively. Market experts were keeping an eye on the 2024 US presidential election as a possible event that could cause the price of XRP to go up. Since there is now a government that backs cryptocurrencies, rules may be made clearer, which could lead to a new rising price trend. Some experts think that the price of XRP could go back up to its all-time high of $3.84. Other, more realistic predictions say that it could rise to $2 by the end of 2024. The recent rise in the price of XRP is due to a mix of technical, historical, and speculation-based factors. There are important support levels like $0.7250 pi $0 and $0.78 that could decide its short-term path. With any luck, the long-term price changes of XRP will be affected by how regulations change and whether or not people work together. The price of XRP could hit as high as $1,650 to $2,900 by the end of 2024. The market is about to start a big trip at this point. Not only is it a stunning piece of rhetoric, but it also shows a big change in the environment that handles money transfers. The same huge financial company that launched a very successful Bitcoin exchange-traded fund is now applying its knowledge to XRP. BlackRock is a big name in finance. BlackRock has an amazing track record because almost all of the exchange-traded fund applications it has sent in have been accepted. Another interesting thing is that Grayscale has joined the market by proposing an exchange-traded fund ETF for XRP and adding XRP to its list of coins. Both of these changes are important. This is very clear from the fact that this event shows how XRPs and Ripple Labs are becoming more and more important in the world of foreign transactions. The fact that BlackRock is the best asset manager in the world gives them an almost perfect image when it comes to approving exchange-traded funds. They have an approval record for exchange-traded funds that is almost identical to perfect. This is an amazing success that shows how well they can navigate the world of finance. Some say that big banks like BlackRock and JP Morgan have been trying on purpose to buy XRP. These reports come from a number of different places. The papers say that these global companies have put more than 7.5% of their total value into XRP. These facts come from the news. The most current story, which was based on a lot of research, even said that BlackRock might be shifting all of its attention from Bitcoin to XRP. This could be a very important event. Taking this into account would show that they changed how they put money into investments in a big way. A new product that can be sold on an exchange for XRP transactions is one of the newest events in the XRP story. One reason the XRP ETF was made was for this reason. This is one of the newest things that has come about, even though no one knows who created this exchange-traded fund in the first place. The fact that it exists is an important step in the process of creating an ETF. Although the XRP ETF is now open to everyone, it is still in the pre-release phase, which means that its value has not yet been set. Several news sources, on the other hand, have said that it will likely be shared right away. There have been rumors going around that an exchange-traded fund for XRP will be launched at the same time as the exchange-traded fund. This would happen at the same time as the start of both the exchange-traded fund and the exchange-traded program. It changes everything because it shows how close we are to seeing a movement that might be as big as or even bigger than the swing seen with Bitcoin's exchange-traded fund. This new development shows how close we are to a huge change in the way XRP is used in the market. This change could be as big as or even bigger than the changes seen with Bitcoin's ETF. A study from not too long ago shows that BlackRock and JP Morgan have bought more than 7.5 million XRP. This shows that big investors are buying into the cryptocurrency market. This is clear from the fact that there is proof of engagement. Due to their successful purchase of XRP and use of the XRP ledger in their business operations, BlackRock is at the forefront of this trend. You can see this by looking at both of these things.